Ulikamba makes a shocking discovery about Hlathi paying people to make sure that Zoleka didn't get the custody kaQhawe. Zoleka is worried about going through the same thing over Vumile, and they realize the kind of lengths that Hlathi would go through just to win. Likamva wakes up Zoleka, and Lazarus offers some comforting words to a wounded boy. Sydney is the weapon formed against his family because regardless of Tlenge begging him not to say anything about the paternity, he goes gloating to Lazarus. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Tumeka no Hlathi are worried that Ulikamba didn't come home, and it's unlike him to just disappear like that. They tried phoning him and he says that he ukwazoleka. They're all shocked ukuthi wenza ntoni kwazoleka. Hlathi lost his mind. He's like, you know what? Kwedini, khawubuye right in this minute, come back home. I tell you, it's too early for that. Ngiyeke man. Mind you, Ulikamba is still wounded. Hlathi is worried ukuthi why will he choose to go sleep kwazoleka? Ufuna ntoni kwazoleka? Athi Tumeka, it's probably because of what he had. And then Zoleka no Lazarus, they're at home, chilling nomntwana wabo. Ncaba shows up to give them some updates on the case. Tells them ukuthi Hlathi got some help, a family court. He didn't do this whole thing alone. So there's a name that they picked up. So they need to investigate that guy, because he's probably the person that helped Hlathi to change outcomes ukuthi uZoleka ngatholi custody kaQhawe back in the day when uZoleka was still fighting for custody kaQhawe. And then Likamva shows up. They shocked ukuthi hawu Likamva la endlini, what is he doing? And then Qhawe comes and explains ukuthi there were 3 shots and he was drunk. She didn't want him to drive. So she brought him home. So they welcome him. They sit to have breakfast together. uZoleka even did a concoction for him for a hangover yakhe. And they talk. I get it, Kuti, we've turned your life upside down with all the fighting and all that. But I don't condone excessive drinking. It's not good for you. And then Ulikamba says, hey, manje, yeah, it's a lot. Like, it's a lot for everyone. Manje, I've got a baby brother. I can even introduce you if you are willing. Ulikamba was like, nope, it's too early for that. Mind you, Vumile is a reminder that it will never be enough for Hlathi, so meeting him will just be too much for him. And then Lazarus asked, was they drinking for fun or kanye? Is there something else? Qhawe, because she cannot keep her mouth shut. She's always bleeping things. She tells them, Ulikamba overheard Hlathi not to make a talking. Baby Bavumile is the Likamva that Hlathi has always wanted with uZoleka, and that threw Likamva off. Likamva stood up right away and thanked them for the hospitality. Lazarus then catches up with him, saying that relationship katata no nyana, it's a bit complicated. It's always a reminder that you are never enough. uZoleka realizes it is going through a lot. It's not just the hangover. And uZoleka says worried about going through the same thing with Qhawe, because now Hlathi is worried that Hlathi must just repeat past and make her go through the same thing Bavumile. But Lazarus never, he's not going to get a chance. He'll have to go through us first. At least now Zoleka has that support system in Lazarus. And then Qhawe comes over asks to disturb them, to talk to them about something. Lazarus is such a good dad. Says for Intombi yethu we have all the time in the world. Lazarus is already assuming if Arafika na Qhawe. It's so cute to watch. And Qhawe then says she wants to talk about this whole custody battle. Can they make it amicable? They must not forget Hlathi naye, so it's not right to want to keep him away from the baby. uZoleka, but is the one that is fighting. No, Lazarus, but we are not fighting. Hlathi is the one that's fighting, and he wants to do the same thing that he did with you. So that's on him. He's the one that's not playing fairly. And then Ulikamba is at home. Umawake says, I was so worried about you. I'm sorry you had what you had. I didn't mean that. I was just angry. Ulikamba was like, nope. The only thing you did wrong was marrying the bad guy. Utata will never will never love me. Utata will never put me first. And I know how he sees me, and I got it. When mistake yenzile ukuchatana noHlathi, it's giving him a second chance. And Ulikamba did say this, and he was right. And then uZoleka ke no Lazarus, they just reflecting on Ulikamba, going on about how well-mannered he is. and that he's going through a lot, especially having a father like Hlathi can't be easy. And then Ungancaba shows up. Uzoleka is like, hi man, when you need a spare key and a spare bedroom, because you're always here. She's always there, hey? All the time. Breakfast she was there, now she's back again. It's like she lives there as well. And then she says she's bearing good news. She's found some things that Hlathi has been doing that are illegal, and brings the proof. My bank statements, amagama, everyone that Hlathi has been bribing a family court to make sure that Zweleka does not get the custody kaQhaqhawe. So they're shocked about how Hlathi is bribing people. There's even a picture of the man that he was helping him. And the shocking part is that Hlathi spent over 2.5 million just to bribe people, attorneys, clerks, social workers, everyone. Now the shocking thing is, where did Hlathi get all this money? Was it the tenders? Well, we don't know. Instead of improving his family life, he just went on and bribed people just to make sure Zweleka doesn't get to raise her own daughter. And then now they want to track this guy to make sure they find him and he can testify against Hlathi. So Lazarus realizes, this guy, as I used to underestimate him, thinking he's impulsive, but he's obsessive, man. This much detail, and like he does everything to make sure Zweleka does not get what she wants. Zweleka is like, yeah, but that's going to be his downfall. Now they know his limitations and they're going to use that against him. Uhlengiwe is worried ukuthi Zweleka no Lazarus caught him handed khuluma no Hlathi, and begs Sydney not to use it against, not to like use this information, because if it ever comes out, she might lose her license. To be the end of her. But Sydney always puts himself first. His selfishness and his hunger for power always gets in the way. Regardless of Hlengiwe begging her not to tell anyone or say anything to anyone, he goes to Lazarus, going, how is Zweleka and her son, showing Lazarus, but I know that that boy is not yours. Lazarus is like, you know what, it will be sad to see your wife lose everything just because you could not keep secrets. You could not keep secrets under a roof, just because umfazi wakho could not keep client a professional relationship, a confidentiality. So now Lazarus meets up with Onga. Onga managed to get Ikusela into the AGI summit, but there's a catch. They need Zweleka and Lazarus to come and join the panel. And the person that's requesting this, Lilian Gumede, ex-wife ka Lazarus. Lazarus is like, nope, it's not happening. But Onga's like, you know what, I don't get this. It's been 3 years since you guys broke up, since you guys divorced. So why do you still allow her to get under your skin? Just come and do this thing, man. It's important for Kusela. Lazarus then agrees he'll do it. Onga then addresses the staff Kusela. They got into AGI Summit and now they must bring in their ideas for the Innovation Hub so they can go and present them at the AGI. Everyone is excited to pitch. And then uQhawe ulecana no Onga going to ask again, did you read my pitch? Did you like it and all that? Onga, I read it, but it's not ready yet, man. It's not there yet. uQhawe is like, but Zweleka said it was fine. It was ready. And then Onga really like put her in a place saying that doesn't matter what Zweleka says. I'm not going to submit a half-baked project just because mommy said so. Even if Zweleka likes it, I still have to like it. So uQhawe realizes her entitlement is not going to help this time around. And Mawethu comes up with a brilliant idea. Everyone is like, wow, this is brilliant. This is the best. So uQhawe encourages him to pitch to Onga, but Mawethu is like, hi, this guy doesn't like me, man. I don't even think he's going to like my idea. Hopefully Onga does not sabotage Mawethu or like brings down his idea just because he doesn't like him or he feels threatened about his talent. I hope Mawethu gets to present at the AGI thingy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.